All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome in. It is Tuesday, August the 30th in the year of our Lord 2022, and the market is down another 1%. Some of y'all said in the room that we were crashing again today, and I thought the market was up overnight. What happened? Which means that whatever happens overnight really doesn't matter, does it? Because it can do what it wants to do. AD is a weak negative 297. But we're kind of been trending up on AD. Look at this, y'all. It was a lot worse. So now we got things going back up. Let's see. Beth, let your dog out for the love. You don't call me dummy in front of my friends, Beth. Come on now. All right. So we got opening 15-minute range. We got pivot points, overnight low. Look at the VWAP, y'all. Have you ever seen a nastier looking VWAP than that? Bobby, what is VWAP? It's evaluated average price. No, y'all, it's just going to tootie. Wow, look at this overnight high. No chance we take that out today, huh? Wow. Wait. Let's see what the volume is. Volume is up 78.62. Normally we're about what, 5,000 or so on that. So yeah, let's check out our big green monster, see if anything is taking us by surprise. Now, some of y'all, I don't think y'all must not look at the big green monster every day because some of y'all get all whacked out. It's normal what we're seeing, I believe. Let's see what we're seeing here. Come here. Well, I do see what you're saying. We went from fair value to oversold. So we are oversold. You see that we're going to have a battle at this line here, our 20% line, and oversold should come back into the zone here. That's what we're thinking, right? So oversold should come back into here and fill these gaps. That's what my primary thesis is. Primary thesis is this, right? But now we can go a little lower before we go back up there, but I think we'll probably see a battle here and then some retracement back into this area. Oh, what I know. I'm just some fat black glass wearing whatever I am. All right, so let's see what's happening over here. Over here. Okay, look at this, y'all. Look what was our support is our halfway line on our linear regression. We've got a 50-day moving average that served as some type of support till it didn't. And now it's trying to see if it's going to be support again. And I heard somebody somewhere talking about the 100-day moving average serving as some support or resistance. I need to put it on there. I just don't know how to do it real quick. Like it'd take me too long to do that. Okay. But I'm hoping that what you're saying is nothing that's taking you by surprise. We figure that red days are bigger than green days. I would have figured that today is going to be more volume than the green day there. And that confirms we are in the bear market that you and I called weeks ago. We even called a recession weeks ago. This doesn't surprise any of us. Now, just talk a couple things about microeconomy, really, or a macro economy. Well, this may be macro. I can't remember. Let's see, realtor.com. All right. So in realtor.com, I was just noticing little places in my little area, my little 30108. And let me show you what I'm seeing here. Just try to show you. Now, I bought my house 3 years ago for $275,000. Now, today, my house, they're saying is like worth $500,000. And I'm like, they ain't no way this piece of crap that I live in is worth $500,000. I mean, the kids have almost destroyed it. Y'all saw a tree almost fall over and take the thing out. There is no way that this thing is worth $500,000. So, matter of fact, if it was worth $500,000, I wouldn't be able to afford it. Now, here's a house that was across from my house. It's $329,000. Now, I just want to show you a couple things though, because I was just looking yesterday. Look at this little dump. There ain't no way that a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house is worth $329,000. Now you can search for days on market, and it'll show you how many days on market average and things of that area. You need to start watching these things. But what I wanted to show you is this. Let's see if I can see it. Look at this. See this dump? Yeah, that is a double wide. That's what I grew up in. Right? This is what I spent most of my time in, a double wide trailer. For them $250,000, I don't care if it is on 8 acres. Now, look, here's what I wanted to point out to you. Look at there. We just had a price reduction, right? Let's see if I can find some more of those. I saw a number of look at this, y'all. They trying to sell this dump on State Line Road for 319,000. You getting greedy, people. And look, we just dropped the price. It was 329. We dropped the price 10,000. So I was noticing that look at this. We dropped this one for 5,000. Oh, we can't sell this little dump bungalow for 169. It ain't got but one bath on 1,200 square feet for 169,000. They dropped the price of that for 10,000. And there was one lot that dropped it like 50,000. Look here, a trailer, y'all, a dadgum double wide trailer on 2 acres, only got 1,400 square feet for $10,000. Yeah, here was one. They ain't nothing in my county, y'all, that's worth 749,000. Unbelievable. I don't care if it does have 72 acres. They just dropped the price of that for 50,000. I think that's the same one there. So if you'll go and, y'all, I've seen this house. It's pretty. It ain't no $750,000 house. Ain't gonna sell for that. So if you'll go and do a little search on real estate in your area, you will. Yeah, y'all laughing at those. Now, y'all probably laughing because y'all live in some of these uppity places. I know what y'all talking about. I know what y'all talking about. And yeah, like in my house in California, it'd be $10 million house, right? Even though my kids have destroyed it. But because I got like 4,000 square feet and all this kind of stuff. But I'm just trying to show you real estate prices are finally going to start coming back, right? They're going to start coming back. And yeah, I am in Georgia, and this, but these are crazy prices. You don't buy a trailer for $200,000. All right, enough with that. So let's see, what's Ed talking about here? Ed says lots of new inventory soon to be followed by price reductions. Consumers shocked that the liquidity and fast-moving real estate market has slowed to a crawl. Higher interest rates are slamming the brakes on real estate market. Ed knows his real estate job. Stacy says same thing here in Nashville. People were trying to swing for the fences, but they were late. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, if somebody give me $500,000 for this dump that I live in right now, hell, I'd be out of here. If I had a place like a little cabin or something, a shack that I could buy for $20,000 to move the kids in until prices go back down, then I'd rebuy stuff. Yeah. Brian says sales are slowing across the country for sure. Great markets will flatten, crappy markets will fall. And that's what we're seeing, y'all. I mean, this economy is going to slow down. So, don't be fearful when you see, this. This is perfectly normal. Now, a lot of you started saying, well, it's over, and it's just over. And I kept telling you, it ain't over, y'all. We're going down here. We are going down. It's just a matter of time. Now, we may go up here before we go down here, but we're going down here. This market's going down. The real estate market's going down. We're in a recession. People just don't, well, but we're in an official recession until we redefine what recession is. It's like we went to Applebee's today, and I told Beth, I said, we could go to Five Guys or whatever that hamburger place is for the overpriced hamburger. And I said, that's so politically incorrect now. You can't call a place Five Guys. You got to call them five, whatever. And I said, that's what we need to come up with is a five, I don't know. What do you call, what's this? What are they? I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, Code says, I think a lot of the home sales over the past year are from pent-up demand from COVID lockdowns, and that could be true. That could be true. So we in a pickle is what I'm trying to tell you. So don't let yourself be all upset about stuff. Everything's fine. Everything's gonna be just fine. All right. So let's do what we normally do. Well, I can't do what I normally do. And the reason Bobby can't do what he normally does is because, and I know someone's gonna say, yeah, you blew up your count, didn't you, fat black glass wearing, turd you. No, I can't find my spreadsheets. They're just gone. Look, like this one says I opened it 10 minutes ago, but look, it's showing TQQ empires and all that. Can somebody help me find my spreadsheets? Or what happened? I mean, I don't even know where they say, I got the University of Alabama, OneDrive. Let's see what's on that OneDrive. That's TQQ empires right there. That's not there. This PC, Behave. I don't know. I mean, I just lost it. I don't know what to do. Other than I'm gonna do what I normally do. I'm just gonna do it without my Greeks until I find my spreadsheets. I don't know where they go. Anybody got an idea? look in your recycle bin. Well, I'd be afraid to look in front of that in front of y'all. I didn't tell them what's in there, but we'll check it out. All right, so let's see, where are we going? Oh, we've looked at the markets. Let's just kind of look at our accounts, make sure we hadn't blown out today. See if we still got an account. Down $260. We're fine. We know that our buying power went up. I can't trade in this account. I just can't. I know I cannot trade in this account. And I got a feeling ain't nothing profitable, right? We've already looked at that. Negative 100%. Look at that. This is that stupid put debit spread. It's only got one more day to go that we thought, oh, we'll leave that on for insurance. Yeah, some freaking insurance. Market drops 3% on Friday and this thing doesn't go up at all. Waste of my precious resources. So we'll just let that one expire. Negative 1, 2, negative, 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 negative. There's nothing I can do. But guess what? Old Bobby's just fine. I ain't doing nothing. Now, why don't we do this? Since I can't do, Dan says, try file open in Excel. Yeah, I tried that. Watch, I tried recent files. And this all happened when I reset. Remember, I reset my computer yesterday before our Muscadine Mafia thing. And let's see. Let's see. Open. I thought I saw recent somewhere. Anyway. Well, I'll find it. I mean, surely got it somewhere. Where would I have done with it? Oh, behave. So why don't we do this? Since I can't do my Greeks and do my stuff, why don't we do the analyze table? This will be fun. So let's do a little bit of, how shall we say, analysis. We'll do one expiration. We'll do the macros, right? Macros, and then we'll do, how shall we do? Make sure I got my groups over here. Yep, groups over here. And we'll go to analyze. And we'll just look at our group. So we'll say single symbol, all for, we want to hide any simulations we got in there. There we go. Now we want to go, instead of all groups, we want to go each group. So here's that stupid put debit spread that nowhere near getting to making a profit. So we'll just let this thing expire. No need to close it. Doesn't look like, unless we get a crash tomorrow, that I'll make any money on that. So that's fine. That's what I think I just saw from your recent files. Hold on a minute. Let me go back to you. Coach, help me out. Coach is going to help me real quick. Sorry about this, y'all. All right. So here's what I do now. Pen, share with me. Walk me through it, Coach. So this is my recent file. And this is the one I just opened, right? That, see, this one, but my last trade on it's from July. See? July 27th. Shoot, I've been trading like a bat out of hell for the last month, and ain't none of my trades there. Go to your desktop and find the folder called trading. Okay, let me find it. Here's my desktop. Desktop. Parent Booster USA. Sorry, y'all, I gotta file my for the band. I'm the band treasurer. Don't look at that. That's an old account, and it's just whatever. All right, what am I doing? Oh yeah, going to the desktop. Desktop. Hold on. Here we go. Sorry, y'all seeing all my band stuff. All right, Sweet Bobby, desktop. There's the master template that y'all have. Okay, here's trading. See, when I go, like it says the date modified was 7/27. So where's all my August stuff? Wasn't doesn't have quite. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't know. Sweet Bobby spreadsheet. Let's see if I can do it. I think they do. Like I can type it in here. I can type in Sweet Bobby. I thought I saw it somewhere. Sweet Bobby spreadsheet. That's the locked one. Wait a minute. Sweet Bobby spread. Hey, what's this? Sweet Bobby spreadsheet. Last modified 6/27, 7/22. Yeah, you know, I don't know, man. I'll work it out. We won't worry about it. All right. Let's get back to this, because here's what I really wanted to show you today. Yeah, there's a folder called Trader Nerds. I already looked in there. It's not Trader Nerds. I don't know, man. I don't know. And you know, the problem is, Coach, here's the problem. can I come clean with you for a second? So yesterday I didn't take my medications. So I went to JoJo's football practice and I get a call that my two beloved chickens, Don King and Sally Jesse Raphael, had been attacked by the neighbor's dog. Do y'all know that Max, the neighbor's dog, has not attacked and killed any of my chickens? He killed about 6 or 7 of them for about, he hadn't been over in 6 months. And then all of a sudden they get a little loose with him. He comes over and he has bludgeoned my chickens almost to the point of death. I've got them. So I told him, Mama, I said, would you stay here with my son at football practice? Make sure nobody abducts him or she's a very, trustworthy lady. And so she made sure she kept an eye on him. So I rushed to the house and then I go to the CVS to pick up wound care and gauze. And I bought like $40 worth of alcohol and hydrogen peroxide. And so I pick up my 2 bloody chickens. Well, Don's not bloody. I think he's just in shock. And I pick them up. Well, first of all, before I did that though, after I get the phone call, I yelled a curse word. Now, it wasn't a bad one. I just said, damn it, as loud as I could in front of all the kids and all the parents. And then I took my iPhone. God is my witness. I took my iPhone and I tossed it onto the football field. I mean, just like to the 50-yard line, baby. And I just, and I was like that. I was so angry. And they're like, you okay? I said, my chickens have been attacked. I said, I got to go pick them up. So I go to CVS, I pick my chickens up. I bring my chickens back to the football practice. I'm nursing them help. I've got them wrapped up in gauze. I'm trying to give them Gatorade to get some electrolytes in them. And I don't know, it was a horrible day. So it's hard. I'm having a hard time today. I had my personal training today and I'm just not all there. I'm just not all there. So I'm at the point of having a nervous breakdown. So I'm just going to slow down just a little bit. All right, so let's look at each one of our trades. And and I took Max back home and I said, he attacked 2 of my chickens and they're downstairs right now, barely breathing. And I don't know what to do. Look at this, y'all. Oh, this looks good. What is the current price of the minis, by the way? This is where it's at, right? Look at this, y'all. Now, here's what's cool about this trade. Look, our 11247 is down 70. Yeah, that's enough excitement to throw anybody off. So I've taken my meds today. Y'all know I'm on antidepressants. I'm on ADHD medications. I got a lot of problems. Okay. Mental illness is really is serious. And I joke about it a lot, but I have a lot of problems. Anyway, look, I'm down $78 on this trade today. And everybody's going, oh, poo, the market's crazy. But if you look over to the left, see this? That turquoise number is expiration. So if we stay here, I'm going to be up $307 on this trade in just a month. Huh? Now, what's this? I can go down another 5% from where we are right now, another 5%, and I'll still be up, $307. Now, the problem is if we get a big move down and I go down to 12%, right? Now, 12% at expiration, I could be down $930. But right now, this trade looks really, really, really good. Now, for those of you just joining us, if you've not tuned out so far with all the mental illness garbage that's going on in my life, I want to show you something. And I've showed the other ones this before. This is amazing. How do you read this chart? Okay. You see this line going here? Y'all see this? Line going up, right? And if we were to keep going up, it would look like this. If this line kept going up like this, but it doesn't go up, it goes down. So if your line goes up and then all of a sudden goes down, guess what this means? This is where your short puts are. Does everybody see that? Where a break in the line is. So this tells me I have a short put, 2 puts. I can tell by the slope that I'm short 2 puts here. Okay, so my short 2 puts is right at this area. So is my naked put breached yet? No, not breached at all. So I'm fine. So direction goes this way, right? Direction goes this way. And then you're going to see a change in direction. It was going this way, but it goes down. Okay, see the change in direction? So am I short or long a put here? Someone answer in the chat. It was going straight and then goes down. Remember, if it goes down, I am short a put. So right here, I'm short a put in my spread, right? So look, direction goes this way. I see a break in the line that goes, say it with me, upward. So this is where my long put is at this point. So long a put, short a put, and short two puts. So you should, every one of you after this session today, even though we don't have my spreadsheets, even though I've got mental health issues that are going on and running my family and cause me, a lot of issues at times, you should be able to learn how to read a risk graph. Look for the break in direction. Break in direction will tell you if you're short. So is my strike breached? No. Now, if this strike gets breached, what will I do? Well, some people will say, I'm going to roll this out in time, maybe another 30 days, if the naked component gets breached, right? Now, some of you may say, I don't want to do it there. I want to do it at the break even. Everybody see this little area right here? This, see the little red thing there? The little red thing? That's my break even. Right? That's where the trade breaks even, and then you start losing money. So you could say when the break even is breached, you're going to roll out. Or you could say, screw all that. I'm just going to roll out at 21 days. What's the optimal thing to do? I don't know. I think I'm going to roll when my strike gets breached. Is my strike breached? No. Oh, no. So I've got nothing to do right now on this trade. Well, let's go through the rest of them. 112.47, 112.48. Again, you see where the break is. This is where my short two puts are. This is where I'm short one put, and this is where I'm long a put. Notice today, my trade is down $143, but at expiry, I will be up $313. Here is my naked component. Is it breached? No, nothing to do. Go on. 112.49, very similar. Down 153 today. We're in the profit tent, baby. We just got time to go. If this gets breached, yeah, I'll roll this out, probably take my profits in this and be done with it. So 112.49 looks good. 111.17. Here's where my naked put is, right? Here's where my put debit spread is, the short and the long. Notice that we are $81 down in the trade. If we expire here, we're up 142. Nothing to do in that trade. 112 hedge one. We are down $170 in the trade, but again, we're going to be up $317. Should have big profit coming in if we stay within, around 5% of this by another 30 days. If the naked put is breached, we will roll out in time, probably another 30 days. Collect credit, keep the dream alive. We'll probably let this, probably take our profits in this, or let this stew a little bit to make sure that, we get ultimate profits in this. Because here's what happens on this. What's this? This is today, right? Purple today, turquoise at expiration. So what we do is, here's what we want to do. We kind of want to stay right here. See, everybody see my break even on this trade going down, down, down? Look at there. And you see the profit hump just coming up. So, 16 days, that hump looks really, 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 really sweet until we get to expiration and the break even has moved down to the expiration break even and the trade expires. Boom, boom. Well, let's go back to today. So the 112 hedge one looks good. 111.16, beautiful. But see, these are the times to try men and souls, right? When you're down $132 on this, you're down 170 on that, you're down 200 on that, you're freaking out and you don't see the forest for the trees, y'all. The forest says, oh, ain't that beautiful? Let's just stew here just a little bit, Bob, and you're going to be just fine. Now, with a 111 like this trade is, I'm a little closer, right? I'm a little closer to having this strike breached, but nothing to do now. I think that looks good. 111.16. Let's see what else we got. 112.50. Oh man, ain't that pretty? Look at this, y'all. We're down $109, but we will be up $307, and we can go down 5% from here and be just fine. We can go down 12% from here and be just fine, even though we might be down $1,200 on the day. 11250th shouldn't have anything unallocated. There we go. So let's go to the other account. We'll go to the Bobby Beth account. And let's start looking at these groups. And we'll go quickly through these. I just want you to know how to read the risk graph. Oh, y'all, we ain't even got into the profit tent yet. Oh, behave, nothing to do. All right. 11117. Ain't it pretty? We're not even into the 10. 11122nd, not even into the 10. 11, look there, not even in the 10. What are you worried about, y'all? Not even to the 10. Look at this, y'all. What the crap is this? Oh, behave. How can we read this? Let's see. Okay, so going this way down. So we're short a put right there. We're long a put there. This is a, say it with me, put debit spread. That's that put debit spread that's really doing us no good. But if we get a crash, you know, I could be up $1,100 if it happens by tomorrow. Probably ain't gonna happen. All right, 11247. Look at there, y'all. We are in a pretty little tent, not past our naked component. Nothing to do. 11119. Uh-oh. 11119. So our naked put is here. Let's do some drawing. Everybody knows what we're doing. Everybody knows. Naked put are right here. Right? Everybody sees that. We got a naked put here and a long put here. So what does that mean? That means that price has indeed now breached my naked component. It has breached this strike. It is about to breach the break even. We are down on this trade. Barbarino. We are down $1,451. Oh, behave. That ain't good. But if we expire right here, we're gonna be up $119. All right, so what should we do here? All right, first of all, I'm gonna make a note of it. Let's see. Let's make a note. Get rid of that. So the 11119th, we have a problem child. Brian, am I close to the current price on that? Brian says current price is $39.86. How come that's not right? 30. Oh, here it is. 39. Oh, I hadn't breached it yet. I'd moved my little thing over. Thank you, Brian. So 1-1. Oh, it ain't a problem yet. Okay, praise the Lord Jesus. So we're in the see, y'all keep me, Brian. Thank you. So let's read 11119 is not a problem. He said the current price is $39.86. So I can go down another, almost 3 or 4% before we breach it. So I don't have anything. That's not a problem, child. Thank you, Brian. Where is Rick today? Rick normally, Brian, you're like the new Rick. Can I call you the new Rick? So if Rick ain't here, you're the one keeping me in control. All right, so here's current price. Look at this, y'all. It's beautiful. All we need is time. We need time. Time, baby. Grab you a Seiko. I know some of y'all's fancy, y'all probably got cheap Rolex watches and all that kind of stuff, and the designer cufflinks. Not me, baby. I'm wearing a pair of red shorts and a muscle shirt because I have to work out and impress everybody at the gym. So we're fine here. We can go down another 5%, no problem at all. Let's go to them all. 11250th. Just entering the beautiful profit tent. So some of y'all are panicking and you shouldn't. You really shouldn't. Look at this. But Bobby, I'm down $140. Shut your trap. Shut your fly hole. We got to hold on for 30 days. You're going to be at $313. Crap's wrong with y'all. Sorry. I'm just talking to y'all like my wife talks to me and my kids talk to me too. We ain't even in the profit tent. Look at that. 11245th. Look at that. Just coming into the tent. This is what you want to happen, actually. 11246. We want a little bearish action. Beautiful. Look at that. There we go. See some more. 11120th. Look at there, y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, what a great trade we got. Oh, this is great. Look at this, y'all. No problem here. Not even in the 10. Should have nothing unallocated. Oh my gosh, I've got something that's unallocated. All right, hold on a second. So this is a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let me see. That's a 1, 1, 1. That may be a 1, 1, 2. Let's see. What's unallocated on this one? 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. That's, yes, a 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 21st. Y'all help me. 20th, 21st is the biggest one. 21st, I don't have a spreadsheet I can pull up. 21st, there's 19th, 21st going once. There's a 23rd, so that should be maybe 24th. We got a 23rd, we got 23rd. We'll call this 1, 1, 1, 24th and pray it's right. Put it in this group. Shut up! Movie group 1, 1, 1. What did I say? 24. 24th. Oh, I pray my chickens are okay. All right, so here we go. So we're using $33,000 of buying power. Let's see. I got to figure out if I can trade today. I'm gonna have to do some manual stuff. Y'all ready? Let's do it. Let's manually. We won't have a spreadsheet to help me. So let's just do it. All right, my deltas are 177.54. It helped me with this. So if my net lick is, I'm probably under 100,000 now since we're having this little move down. Let's see. I got to figure out, first of all, if I can put on a trade today. What's wrong with my, hold on. All right, so we're at 99,55546. So let's go and go 99,555.46 times 0.0015. My maximum delta could be 149. I'm at 176. I have to stop right here, y'all. I can't trade. I can't put on a trade. Now let's do our theta just to see what it is, right? So our theta is 198 divided by 99. Now it's 99571. My theta is at 0.001. So I'm at, let's move that. So I'm at 0.19. So my theta is fine. I could trade here if necessary, but deltas, if any one of these is over, y'all can't do it. All right, we know that with where our current VIX is, we should not be over 35% buying power. So we're at 33,181 divided by 99,556.71. And that is at 0.33. So technically, this would allow me to put on a trade. Theta would allow me to put on a trade, but oh behave, I am a disciplined trader. Though mental illness strikes me, though medications will, are all in my body, though I have rage and rampage, I can't trade. I just can't. My deltas are too significant. They're too significant, and I can't make the trade. Now, you all have a spreadsheet that helps you to determine that. I had to do it on the fly. And you can do this on the fly every day. You can do just like I did, figure out what kind of trade or not. You don't need a spreadsheet to tell you. Now, are there any trades that I could take off for profit? Probably not. Let's see. This one says we're up. And of course, we got wonky strikes too, right? This says I'm up. I don't know, man. I'm up 52. I could take $52 in profit. Oh, well, I'll probably $38 after that. But now $38 ain't bad because me and Beth ate at the Applebee's today after a 20% tip for $38.08. Oh, it was just delicious. Just delicious. So I may take that one off, just take some risk off. Negative, 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 plus 16%, negative 26, negative 22, negative 20. You know what? That $50 is looking pretty good. And my deltas are too high. So by taking this one off, if I don't have wonky stripes, where's that? Yeah, if I don't have wonky strikes, we'll get rid of 5 positive deltas. Let's just see if we can take that off. Okay. Let's see if we can, or see if it's wonky. Create closing order, sell, Then we got to go grab the naked components. We got to go grab 2 of the 3600. I think this is the one I tried to close yesterday in the strikes. We got to close 2 of the 3600s. I said 2 of the 3600. Show me, baby. And of course, since I don't have my spreadsheet, we won't know how much profit I made on it. We won't be able to add it to my profit calendar. 2 of the 3600. Okay, we don't have wonky strikes today on this. That'll be good. So we'll go that, and we'll buy 2 of those. So we know, that $7 debit, it's not bad. See if we can get out of it. $78. Come on, baby, give me out. Come on, with all this liquidity, I should be able to get out. Come on, baby. Make it less advantageous. I ain't gonna play with you much now. I'll leave you on another day. I'm just trying to take some risk off. Get me out. Get me out, dang it. Had this problem yesterday. I'm gonna go one more time. I'm gonna go 2 more times. Just take a little risk off, take a little profit. There we go. We're up to 17. Oh, behave. So really, y'all, there's nothing for me to do. I can't put on a trade today. I can't. And you're like, well, Bobby, when the market is down, isn't that a great time? Look, y'all, it's continuing to plunge. Isn't that a great time? Yes. If your metrics say that you can, you need to see, are you too long already? Are you using too much buying power? And how's your failure? If those 3 numbers allow you to trade. I can't, and I won't. I am a disciplined trader, and you should be too. Questions, comments? Oh, y'all. All right, y'all. I love you to pieces. And I will see y'all tomorrow.